Okay, today I thought I'd show you a little bit about dodging and burning in Photoshop. There's several different ways to do it, and this is the way I like to do it. First thing you want to do is create a new layer. Go down here to your little plus signal down here. Click on that. You got a new layer. Then I want to fill it with 50% gray. So I hit shift and backspace. Brings up this dialog box. You got several options you could choose from: the foreground color, background color. Pick a color of your own. Use content aware fill pattern different ways. I want 50% gray for this. Select that. Now 50% gray covers the picture. Well, you change your blend mode to either overlay or soft light, and what that does, it just eliminates the 50% gray so you don't see it. See, you still there's still 50% gray on the layer here, but because we selected soft light, it doesn't show up. The next thing you want to do is go to your brush tool, select your brush tool, and lower the opacity down to around 10. And 10, that's not right there, 10 will do. So to burn, you select your foreground color to be black. To dodge, with brightens things, just set it to white. So we're going to burn the sky in. So watch the sky get darker. I'm letting up on my mouse button, hold it down again. Let up on my mouse button, hold it down again. See, it's getting darker with each stroke. Come on down here, darkening that sky. All right, I'm going to darken some of this foreground too. I'm holding up, just clicking with my mouse button. Each time you release your mouse button and click at the end, it adds another 10% opacity down there. So every time you do it, it adds more opacity. If you just hold it down and move it, you don't add but 10%. But when you let up and click again, it goes up to 20%. So that's how you burn. To dodge, you just change your color to white by either clicking on this thing over here, this little toggle button, or hit X on your keyboard, and you X on the keyboard to change it. So now that I got white, I'm going to get the bottom part of the sky, brightening that up. I'm going to hit this water just a little bit too. All right, you cut the layer off. See the difference it made on that? That's the burning and dodging. Now, a lot of experts tell you you don't need to use 50% gray because it's eliminated when you go to soft light. So you just put a layer up above soft light and do what I just did without using 50% gray. But I like to use 50% gray because if I made a mistake and I want to undo the sky up there, I click on my color picker, type in 808080. That's 50% gray. Remember that code, 808080. That's 50% gray. Click on OK. Now I got 50% gray in my foreground color. I go back over here and paint on this again, and I'm erasing it. So I erased all that top darkening that we did. See that? Let's put it, I can come down here and erase this down here if I want to. Well, the best thing to do when you erase it, take your brush up to 100%, and then you do it, and it's gone. You don't have to keep adding a layer at a time. See it taken out there? That's because I'm putting 50% gray back in there. So see the difference now? That's all it is, the dodging and burning. I like to do things a simple way. So if you want to do things a simple way, or you got something you want to see how to do in Photoshop, and the experts that you watch are doing it the hard way and making it difficult for you to understand, email me at Alvin Carroll 66 at Comcast.net. And if I can do it, then I'll do it a video for you and show you a simple way to do it. without going through all the rigmarole some of these experts make you do. So I try to keep it simple. So I'm not a brilliant guy, so I make things as simple as I can. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next week. Thanks.